Welcome to Sundays with Selma. Today, I'm going to prepare Uppuma, vegetable Uppuma. Uppuma is a very popular South Indian breakfast. Uppuma made with roasted rava. It is very simple and easy to make. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients. Rava, 1 cup. Mustard seed, ½ teaspoon. Urud dal, 1 teaspoon. Red onion, chopped, 1/4 of a cup. Curry leaf, 1 sprig. Green chilli, thinly sliced, 2 numbers. Ginger, minced, 1 teaspoon. Carrot, cut into very small pieces, 1/4 of a cup. Green beans, thinly sliced, 1/4 of a cup. Ghee or butter, 1 tablespoon. Raisins, 2 tablespoons. Cashew nuts, 2 tablespoons. Oil, 1½ tablespoons. Boiled water, 1 cup. Salt to taste. Heat oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds and let it splutter. After it crackles, add 1 teaspoon of urud dal. When it is turned light brown color, add curry leaves, ginger, green chilli, onion, salt to taste, and saute for a few seconds or until the onion turns transparent. Next, add your vegetables. I am adding 1/4 cup of carrot and 1/4 cup of green beans. Saute for 3 minutes on medium flame. Add 1 cup of rava into this little by little and roast it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Now our rava is very nicely roasted. Reduce flame to low and add 1 cup of boiled water into this, little at a time. Continue with the stirring and mix well. Cover it and cook for 3 to 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Uppuma is ready. Next step is optional. In a frying pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee or butter. When it is hot, add 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts and 2 tablespoons of raisins and fry until it is light brown color. Add this to the uppuma and mix well all together. Now our fluffy and tasty uppuma is ready. Transfer this to the serving dish and serve hot. Our soft and fluffy vegetable uppuma is ready. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.